What's up, guys? I just picked up this 5-gallon pail of acetone, and I was getting ready to dispense it into a couple of my cleanup buckets when I remembered this little cheat code I wanted to share with you. Now, as you get more into composites, sooner or later, you're going to buy larger quantities of materials, and you'll be dealing with 5-gallon pails of resin, gel coat, solvents, and these things can be awkward as hell to pour. The material's not cheap, it's volatile, it's toxic, and it can be wasteful and dangerous to just spill it all over the place. Now, I learned this little trick years ago, and I still use it every single time to handle pails just like this. The trick? Don't lift and pour. Instead, tip and roll. Now, your instinct, understandably, is probably to orient the pail with the spout at the bottom, 6 o'clock, if this was the face of a clock, and then manhandle it and then pour it like this. Now, the problem is now you've got all that material pushing against the opening. It's going to come out fast, it glugs, it's hard to aim, and you're trying to control a pail with 40 to 50 pounds of material at the same time. Instead, I know it's counterintuitive, but orient the pail with the spout at 12 o'clock. Instead of picking the pail up, tip the pail down onto its side. As the material comes out, it's going to be a lot less forceful and much easier to control. The workbench supports the weight, you can get the container right underneath the spout, and air can still enter to replace the material coming out. And that little bit of what they call aeration is what helps make it pour smooth and consistent rather than all choppy and glugging. But here's the part that makes this cheat code ridiculous. Eventually, as you use the material, tipping it down won't be enough, or you need it to come out faster. Don't tip farther, instead, roll it. Notice what happens when we roll the pail slightly and the spout moves down from 12 o'clock. If you can picture the water line inside the container, the farther you roll, the more the spout will go below that water line, and that's going to increase the pressure and the faster it's going to pour. This gives you tremendous control over the material flow with very little effort. When you're done, roll it back up to 12 o'clock, and you can follow the spout up with your target container as you tip the pail upright until no more material is coming out. That's it. Tip and roll. Once you pour a 5-gallon pail this way, you'll never go back.